I have heard that some of you, and it breaks my heart every time I consider this, are paying for a man. Nevertheless, I still want you to watch the video because when you see me, I want you to think, whoa, if Liz expects this much from her partner, then maybe I can expect my partner to at least give me some respect. You do not have to want your partner to spoil you. All you need to do is look at me and realize that this woman believes she is so valuable that no one can be with her unless they do this. This means that when you tell a man that your friend is getting the kind of care that she is getting, he will become competitive and say, okay, this is what I am competing with. Even if I tell my man that I love these shoes that her friend bought, he will literally buy them from me the next day, demonstrating their competitive nature. Another thing to remember is to stop telling men that you do not need them, especially when you say it to them or in front of them. If you tell them that you do not need them, they will not do anything to show up for you. Making him believe that it was his idea is another thing to do. For instance, when I first met my spouse, it was like a designer bag. I let him choose between two brands, so I asked him, okay, what brand do you like? Do you like this branch or this brand? And he said, oh, I like this brand, referring to the more costly brand. And I thought, well, that's nice. Which style of bag from that company is your favorite? He says, oh, this one with the leather. I think, oh, okay, nice.